Old documents covered in dust have been left here.
Save.
Words in old language have been written here, and it's quite difficult to decipher them. They're stuck together so much the pages don't flip. Why are they tightly stuck together like that? You ask very stupid questions, you stupid bitch. Old documents have been left here.
That's not very family friendly.
You're not family friendly.
Shut up, you stupid mofo.
PJ, be nice.
I'm being bullied!
No, Dad.
PJ, you'll get a whooping.
I don't
I'm
care.
gonna sadly nom a Dorito.
Shut up. Woo. Angry woo.
I sadly nommed a Dorito.
Steals your Dorito. You know what? Steals Dorito.
Sobs intently.
Eats them right in front of your face.
Goes back to I keep saying black today. Goes back to playing the game. Jesus Christ. In the distant
Munches
past.
loudly.
Shh. In the distant past, our ancestors received the night glowstone from a certain man. Why is it that my ancestors agreed with that man's deed? Perhaps they have been deceived. It was because of that man, in order to entrap one woman he fell in love with, for the purpose deceived by the people of the village. It was like mere lust. It was perhaps unmistakably a twisted love. That loved woman had her husband, child in her belly killed. Why word it like that? That's so stupid. And was made to live her entire life in prison as a plaything. How could it be holy for us to pray to that stone, implanted with love and hatred, as the source of protection? I saw into the interior of its darkness. Just which generation among my ancestors would have made it like this in here? The fifth was not in here. Rather, it was perhaps I, who have done nothing, who is the filthy one. Quite dreadful indeed, almost everything was. Everything after that has been crumpled and roughly written so it's not possible to read it. That's nice. Words in no language have been written here. Same thing. Lined with old documents. I love how we're being chased by this stupid woman, but we're just here checking out every single thing. Okay. Let's go. Faintly some light leaks in from above. Could it be this place is connected to the outside? Then I'll need to do something to get out of here. But the ceiling is quite high. I'll need to call for help.
What are you gonna do?
There's no use in worrying over this. Let's try calling for help right now. Pick up a chair and yeet it at the ceiling! It'll be alright. You don't have to worry because I have a big voice and my throat is fine. Oh my god. Is anyone there? That woman's gonna come. If someone's there, please respond. Someone. That word. Someone. Goo. Goo. I turned into a baby. It'll be alright. Hey, we can't just give up here. Sugarcane, you don't need to make such an agonized face. After all, Sugarcane, all until now, you've always protected various people from that spirit, right? If so, then it'll be alright. Surely we'll be able to return safely today, too. It'll be alright, because Sugarcane, when you were scared and crying, I also made a promise to protect you, Sugarcane. Aww. Alright, if it's decided like that, then I'll need to raise a larger voice. Yeah, the stupid bitch came along.
Oof, so you know what that means.
We're fucked.
Bad.
The night glowstone outside broke. Ugh. But this voice is surely of that spirit, like those children. Don't do it, you stupid bitch! Sugar-kun, you fucking stupid bitch, get your motherfucking ass back here.
No.
You can't go that way. Even if it's not the Kutore Obake. The spirit of those children have come in. Eh?
Bitch, you can't tell me what to do.
This is a night glowstone? You want me to take it? The night glowstone is a protective charm. A purification stone. You can't. Hey, Sugar-kun, by giving this to me, what do you intend to do? Oh my god. He's going to
Sugar-kun.
A beautifully polished night glowstone is giving off a light blue giving off a light blue light in Sugar's hand. I think he needs it more than she does.
Hmm.
Don't accept. Don't accept.
He needs it because his sword's gonna break, so he needs it.
Yeah.
This, you should have it, Sugar-kun. Cause you're going out there and you're gonna be a stupid bitch like I was. I can't accept it. I don't wanna turn Sugar-kun into... I said Sugar-kun. God damn it! I keep saying sugar! I don't want to turn Sugar-kun into a victim any more than this. This forest is calling me. You don't need to become the victim, Sugar-kun. Hey, Sugar-kun, why did you live for so many years in a museum where there's nobody anymore? Why did you just simply try to chase me away once you knew who I was? Why did you, when I said I wanted to know more about my dead parents, allow me to stay there?
Because you're my girlfriend.
Sugar-kun, you've been always trying to keep that promise, haven't you? It might not have been for my sake, but if it was, then please stop it. Let that promise be no more. Because I want to protect you, Sugar-kun. I ship it hardcore.
I ship it too.
So, Sugar-kun, I said sugar again. Sugar-kun, take that stone with you.
I understood. I will take the stone with me. But while I take the stone and go over to the other side, you will stay here. Because I'll come back for sure.
This is the reason why he needed it, because if his sword breaks, he'll need the fucking stone. Understood. During this time, I'll be calling for help, so don't do anything reckless. You must absolutely come back. Because it's a promise. I ship it, it's so cute. Oh, he's smiling! It's so cute!
I love you.
It's so cute!
I know.
Squeak!
I hope
Leave me alone. If I ship it, I ship it. Let me squeal!
Angel! PJ said I hope he dies.
Fuck you, PJ!
I didn't say anything.
Let me embrace it! I ship it!
I'll wish it in my head.
I ship it. Let me ship it.
Bested
Be gone.
bitch!
Fuck.
Bested
Sugar-kun.
bitch!
Shut up, bitch! So I have to remain here. There's no time to read. So she'll have to go ahead and call for more people to help. I am not reading this. Fucking help someone again.
Helps!
Go read it, PJ.
Please, we're here. We can't get out. Someone, we're in danger. Someone, please find us.
Oh, it's Sakuma!
Oni-san, are you here?
Yeah, I oofed.
Oni-san? As I thought you were here.
Oh, she's awake now! Why did that only dawn to me now? Sakuma-chan!
Hey, are you alright?
No, I broke my ankle. I mean, Officer Mochizuki too. Ah, great. Please help me get out from here.
Understood. Just wait a little. Right, just wait. Right now, I'll bring something you can call.
Good. With this, we can get out of here. But Sugar-kun is still... His sword's gone! That's why he fucking took the stone, thank fucking God! Because I was just thinking, at that point in time, I was like, if I take the stone, he's gonna die. Sugar-kun. Ah, great, you were alright.
If you took the stone, it would have been a bad ending.
Yeah, he would have died! And I don't want him to die, I want my ship to live!
Shame.
You see, Sakuma...
I dare you to go back and do the bad ending.
Fuck off, PJ! You see,
I dare you.
Sakuma-chan and Officer Mochizuki have noticed we were here. Oh my God, that face. It's alright now.
No, it's not.
Sugar-kun? I shipped it.
Smile.
It's so cute.
Oni-san, here it is! Quickly, get up from there, you guys.
You fucked.
I'm a third wheel.
And then I was able to safely exit from that forest and that place underground. Sakuma-chan cried like a dog. The fuck did she get on all fours and start crying?
Oh!
Exactly. Just as she saw me, and Officer Mochizuki made a bitter smile, as if feeling relieved. Perhaps because Sugar-kun also came to relax a little. He also let out a laugh, with an expression blurred by fatigue. And I certainly cut the string of tension, and only to remember abruptly collapsing right there. Whatever the case, I think it was truly great we were able to get out of that forest. Sakuma-chan and Sugar-kun were all right. I was happy about that above all else. Oh my God, I couldn't even read for like 2 seconds. The next day. Sugar-kun and Sakuma told me very sternly to go back.
The Obake is still looking for you, Oni.
Hey, at least he said Obake, right?
Good job.
Sakuma-chan, who said that with quite a serious face, had a terribly sad expression. But I was a little hesitant to say anything. It was because there was something I was anxious about. Of course, it was about Sugar-kun. As for me, who remembered everything in the past, my promise with Sugar-kun was quite precious. At least just for him, there's no way I could let him be the victim and suffer. I, thinking about that, couldn't go back, in honest good judgment. As I was like that, Sugar-kun smiled a little, and softly wrote a memo from what? How can you softly write? Okay.
You gently push your pen on the paper.
Once the forest has calmed down, it will be fine for you to come back. Because in that time, I'll contact you.
The words written in pretty letters that he wrote looked sincere in all respects. To my question of really, he nodded several times, so I could only swallow those words. And so I decided to return at least once, eventually. So now I'll be returning back home. It's painful when I think that actually it's tiresome for you, Sugar-kun, but Understood. Sakuma-chan also said that. But once it calms down, you'll absolutely contact me, right? I have still not properly made any thanks. I am truly thankful, Sugar-kun. I am glad I remembered that promise. And I'll be going now. Because it's about time the train comes.
I thought the train was no longer in service.
No, the bus wasn't. Sugar-kun? Is that the night glow stone you had at that time, Sugar-kun? Wait, what? I'm so confused with what's just happening. Wait, what? Wait, just wait, Sugar-kun. I am so confused. No! Hey,
Yeah.
wait, just wait, Sugar-kun. I don't want to forget any
Fuck.
I hear the sound of a train. Thinking this is strange, I opened my eyes. When I did, I was surprised from the bottom of my heart that I was actually riding a train. This train I've never seen before is merely running past places I've never seen before. How strange. I don't remember ever riding in such a train. Why am I riding the train in the first place? I tried searching my memory, but I couldn't remember anything. In any case, I asked the ticket inspector around the conductor whether this train stops at the station at my home. Doing so, it seems that this train is running on a line far from town where I live, and that I would need to change trains several times. More and more, I didn't know what was going on anymore, and my head puzzled over it. In the end, I wasn't able to remember anything. In my case, I need to get back home. Once back home, let's just sleep for the time being. Tomorrow I'll visit my parents' graves. Even though I've surely been visiting the grave almost every day, I somehow go the feeling that the feeling I haven't visited for a while. While thinking these wandering thoughts in order to escape from this unusual affair, I continue gazing at the flowery scene until the station of my next switch. It's just as if something precious has gone completely missing. I get the feeling that it is something I definitely shouldn't have forgotten. Where have I ended up? Where have I ever ended up losing such a thing? Before I knew it, my cheeks had become wet with tears.
So he made her forget everything?
That's the normal end.
I'm so disappointed with that ending! Why?
To protect her?
That fucking piece of shit! How dare you! I'm offended!
What would have happened if he didn't make her forget?
Well, you have to get a different ending.
Can I go back and kill him?
No.
I'm mad! I don't like that ending!
Well, Angel, we can like every ending.
I shipped them though.
Angel, in one of those endings, they stay together, for fuck's sake.
How do I get it? I'm so upset about that ending.
Are you crying?
No, I'm so upset. I'm angry. So go back
You'll be
this
fine.
way.
Yeah, don't
I'll say, wouldn't
scream.
there be a key then? Somewhere?
I don't know, look.
I'm looking, but I did interact with everything earlier. I am so upset with that ending. It's not even funny. I'm so angry. A pedestal made of rock has been set here. Legit, I'm so angry. It's not funny. I'm not having a good day. This is the only thing that's here. This one. Yeah, I have. They're stuck so much together the pages don't flip. Yeah, if we try to forcibly flip the pages, it might just tear.
Who cares? Just tear them.
Yeah. One does wonder, right? Shall we? Wait, what the? Do it. Upon opening the pages, there was a cavity in it, as if it had been hollowed out. There's a. Oh, it's one of those secret books. Yes, I got a key.
Okay.
I keep forgetting you actually have to press Z to interact with the door.
Save.
There's
Save, for fuck's sake.
Okay, hold on.
Because you haven't saved in a while.
I mean, it hasn't been that long. There's water inside. The water doesn't seem to have been changed at all, but strangely enough, it looks quite pure. Are we in a blessing room or whatever? On the door above is a night glow stone. A night glow stone is shining. I can't read. Oh, it's a grave. The floor there is packed with some writing on it. Oh, it's a Buddhist.
Buddhist.
Well, some people pronounce it differently. I say Buddhist. A Buddhist. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce that second word.
Sutra.
Oh, thank you. What is it praying to? Why is there buckets
Or
of
sutra,
water?
one other thing.
A container has been set here.
What'd you say, PJ?
I said or sutra, one of the ones.
I actually don't even understand what you said.
Sutra or sutra?
Oh. Could this be a casket? Oh my god, what is that name?
Don't even try to pronounce it.
Trithika?
Okay, I've interacted with that, but I'm gonna interact with it again. Okay, nothing happened this time. What's this? Azura realm. Human realm. Deva realm. Animal realm. Peretta realm. Nakara. Hell. I don't know why I found that funny. Realm. So this is basically a shrine with different worlds. Do I do anything with the bucket
Yes.
of water? I'm guessing I do something here, but I don't know what. Can I go around the casket? No, I can't. Okay, we'll go out for a second because there's another place down here. Oh, it's those Japanese masks! A woman mask. Yaska? I think that's how you pronounce it. A Yaska mask?
I don't know.
Ione mask. Or Anoni. Well, it's pronounced as Ione, I
Oni.
guess.
It's just Oni.
No, Anoni. Some people say Ione when they say that.
O-N-I? It's Oni.
No, An! Child!
Oh,
An
N.
Oni mask. Some people say Ione mask. That's what I'm referring to.
Okay.
A paper about old books and documents have been left here. Read it. The details about the internal structure of the past Azawaka village seems to have been thoroughly investigated. In the writings concerning the village's self-government is a history that reeks of blood. That's nice. Oh my god. For a crime that the head of a family commits, the indemnity, I don't know how to fucking pronounce that, can be paid with Wait, what?
I can't even pronounce it.
It's something. Let's leave it at that. Can be paid with one's family. Children are assigned a penalty or soul. Oh. That's not nice. The women, until they grow old and are thrown away, are required to exhaust their bodies to the... No, that's not nice. However, since the prison was deep in the forest, and since those who handled the imprisonment women were almost all men, can be guessed that the something they paid was especially cruel. These private practices of punishment continued until the forest was blockaded. The women in the forbidden place in the forest were perhaps ones who became captive in that way. When I investigated into my ancestors, I came to discover books by my ancestors that wrote about men who have gone crazy with other people's wives. From these considerations, it can be guessed that the crime of all the women told about in the legends is a false accusation. That was dark. In order to save the woman, it was necessary to give offerings to a casket on a pedestal with a purified corpse put in. However, the contents of the casket are incomplete, making it impossible to carry it out. Perhaps it is the sole hope that our ancestors, driven by guilty conscience, left behind, so that the woman would not be able to not be completely consumed by the men who destroy everything like demons. However, as long as we don't find the missing part of the corpse, purify it, and restore it to the casket, the hope cannot sublate? I don't know what that says. Subliminate! There you go! Even though it's just a tiny fragment. Among the aged objects is an old book containing a collection of printed paintings. Suga, judging this to have no info, promptly shut the book at once and put it back on the shelf. He was not happy with that book. An empty bucket. It seems to be an oriental lamp.
Go to the book again.
The woman chased by Oni eventually becomes a... Oh god, I forgot how to pronounce that. A Yakusha. A Yakusha, thank you. I said Yakusha. The child who can send this Yakusha safely to Yomi, a Japanese Hades, is a missing fragment. However, in order to not fall into the hands of Oni, this place is the sole protection. This place to be the sole chains keeping it here. I don't understand that, but okay. Is there nothing else we can interact with in here? Yes. Wash the fragment. Oh, we have the stone! Is the stone the fragment?
Yes.
That's what I'm understanding. Wash the fragment. By fragment, could it perhaps mean this? You talk way too much. You are annoying me.
Yawn! You're Nile all over again.
Sploosh. Purified the small fragment. Return the little fragment back into the casket. Then I'll put it in. That's what she said!
Actually, that's what he said.
The girl said she'd do it.
Thank you. With this, I can finally get out.
Be free.
So please, take me along. And let me meet my dear...
Oh! So the tea person in the ground was the child. Oh. Sure, let's go take you back to Mama.
Surely, surely, surely. Mother is looking for me.
Are you sure about that?
Such a happy little spirit. How cute.
Walk.
I can't because I was waiting for the freaking sequence to end. That kid just now. I know him. I met him in the forest when I was little. I see. So this kid was always here in order to meet his mother. Let's go return him to mother! I'll say, don't I have to take the casket actually?
Mm-hmm.
Let's take it along because there was definitely a stone pedestal. Oh, it goes into the pedestal. Okay then. You don't mind, right, Sugarcon? He's like, do I even have a fucking choice at this point? Pick it up! You're a man! Or I just put it in my back pocket, whichever one works.
I would have suggested save before anything.
I can't
Because you never
save.
know when... Fuck.
The casket sits here peacefully. Perhaps it'd be okay like this. Because the only place past this. Okay. That's
Oh, shit.
Could it be that the night glow that the night glow stone outside just broke? Sugarcon, don't be a stupid bitch. And the woman is moaning. There she is!
My cute, cute child. Quick, quick, come out here.
Sugarcon, come back. You stupid bitch. Sugarcon, you stupid bitch! The child is coming out to play. Oh, it said mama.
Mother. 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 I finally met you, Mother.
When you were saying
This
mother,
was supposed to be my part.
I was saying, I kid you not, when Ace was saying mother, she sounded like Bambi. Literally.
I'm Bam.
Literally, you sounded like Bambi after he lost his mom in the snowy thing when his mother died. You literally sounded like him.
Mother.
It was like, we made it, mother. Mother? You just
No,
sounded
Mother.
exactly like him, and I was like, oh my god, I'm going to die.
I'm
Bambi
Bambi.
makes an appearance.
Ace is now Bambi confirmed.
First time a beaver, now I'm fucking Bambi. Okay.
The beaver was a joke child.
PJ, read the fucking mother then.
Little boy, my little boy.
No.
You don't know how tempted I was to say that in the most derpy way possible.
They're making very weird noises.
Fusion. Ha! Huh. Okay, stop moaning. Little boy, my little boy. My cute, cute little boy. I finally found you. My little boy.
I got goosebumps.
It must have been agonizing. It must have been painful. I'm sorry.
Mother. Mother, we made it.
Stop.
My dear mother.
Let's go back together. We'll always be together from now on.
Aww.
So, the Obake was just an angry mama. Okay, BRB.
Some of the spots is on you. Ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your both trembling across the floor. I don't know the song. More than that. Something.
Are you good?
Yes.
They finally met, haven't they? The mother and the child. Let's take our chance to go now. Surely the Kotori Obake is alright now.
Nods.
Nope, she's not okay.
No, those are the children.
Won't let you go, won't let you go, won't let you go, won't let you go.
Fuck you.
Mother, mother, mother. Though she was our mother. We won't let you go anywhere, because the one who killed us is...
Her.
Mother wasn't it.
No, don't kill the mom. She just got her baby back. But that's all. No. They're all just phasing through them. Yeah, you guys are gonna get very far in life.
Sugar is killing them one by one.
Sugarcane, the sword. Sugarcane is too dangerous now. Run, you stupid bitch!
The stone that you are holding will surely protect someone important for you. Please let me have that rock.
Oh, it's the mother.
Thank you, thank you. It's all right now.
Poof.
Big poof. It's all right now. You've protected everyone important to you.
Oh, he fulfilled his promise too.
This rock that you made is surely you yourself, and so, you see. You are already forgiven now.
Aww. It disappeared. It's all right now. Surely that child and mother can now probably be together from now on.
Hey, is anyone there?
No, we're dead. That voice, it's Officer Mochizuki. Let's
Okay,
go.
then let me do my manly voice.
Let's go. We can get out of here now. Oh, we're live. Officer Mochizuki. Officer Mochizuki. I and Sugar... I said sugar again. Fuck my life. I and Sugar-kun are here.
Onisa!
Sakuma-chan. So you were alright.
Hey, are you guys alright?
Officer Mochizuki. I am alright. Please help us out of here.
Understood, just wait a little. Right now I'll bring something you can climb. Oni-san, what a relief, really good.
What's with the guh?
I don't know. Hi, Sawi.
I'm alright, so don't cry, okay?
It was because Officer Mochizuki wouldn't listen to what I was saying. That we have been slow to come to help. Because I was alright even though you said you'd try saving Oni-san first. That's because you've been fainted all this time. I couldn't just let you wander around some more. Well, it's alright. It's thanks to that everyone was saved. However, what was that happened in the forest? I still can hardly believe it at all. Furthermore, I would have never thought that
I'm back.
that place
Welcome back.
was connected to the mansion.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Anyway, for now, I'll make up a report for this. So you should arrange to tell the same story.
Okay.
All right. So I'll be taking Sakuma back to her home. I'll be writing the report on a later day. So I'll call on you guys then. Sakuma, let's go quickly. Your parents are deeply worried and are waiting for you.
She doesn't want to go home. She's done with your shit. I mean...
Quickly now, because I'll be apologizing together with you.
She's not a
Mad.
happy camper.
I forgot to say this, Oni-chan, but
San.
Oni-san. But that forest, it's all right now.
Eh?
Because there's no presence, nor any voices. They have all been clearly purified. In fact, Oni-san, even if you come here or even live here, it'll be alright. Right?
Those two need to kiss. They really
Or fuck,
need
either
to
way.
kiss.
Or fuck, either way is nice.
No, they need a kiss. Suga-kun, after Mochizuki's investigation ends, I'll be going back home, right? From then on, you should do whatever you want with this mansion, Suga-kun. After all, my memories of my parents have returned. As Sakuma-chan said, the forests have been purified, and the promise with the Kotori Obake is no more. And also, Suga-kun, there's no need for you to be bound here anymore. Papyrus, stop texting me. Sorry for causing you so much trouble. We weren't able to get back your voice, Suga-kun, but thank you. With this, I fulfilled my promise with you, Suga-kun, haven't I? Kiss. Just kiss already. Please kiss! For now, let's rest for today. From tomorrow, I'll need to do something about my inheritance paperwork. And I also need to make preparations for going back. Kiss, please! Did he just clear his throat? Suga-kun?
Yeah. She-chan.
Oh my god, I'm gonna scream.
Gasp noises.
Suga-kun, your voice.
No shit.
Ugh. What is it, Suga-kun? What?
Mm.
He's blushing!
Holy shit! Again? Memo?
There's a lot I'd like to talk about.
Yeah. Me too. There's a lot I'd like to talk about, Suga-kun. Please kiss! They needed to kiss. I'm so sad about that. They didn't kiss.
They had a happy ending. Wait till you see. Okay, wait till the ending credits.
Okay. They need to kiss! They just need to kiss! Please tell me there's fan art of them kissing. Please!
Yes, there is.
Give me it! I need it in my veins right now!
Okay.
Oh. It's very good for a short horror story. I mean, it's not really horror much. The guy in the beginning did freak me out a little because I thought I was gonna die. I love that. I really love that. They need a kiss. They really need a fucking kiss. So my end thoughts about the game. I thought it was longer. Not gonna lie. It wasn't really horror based. It did have a bit of a scare in it, which I thought was good. Oh my god, so cute.
I found it!
Did they kiss? Show me. Show
Yes,
me.
there's
Show me.
fan art
Show
of
me,
it.
please. I wouldn't say it was scary. The walking style was funny.
Mm-hmm.
That actually really like killed me because how fast they ran. And I thought the girl was moonwalking at one point, but she wasn't. Not really scary. I mean, I guess if you're like terrified of like urban legends, I guess yeah, you would be scared.
Mm-hmm.
It was cute. It was really cute. That normal ending pissed me off so much. I was so upset though. I thought that was the true end. And then you said that wasn't the true end. I was like, where's the true end? I need it. Aww.
Mm-hmm.
I love that. I actually really love that.
I'm glad you do. It's a really nice game.
I really loved it. I really loved it. I'm sad because, I mean, obviously I understand the concept of, friendly boy and girl, like, friendship love. But when you ship it, it hurts. It's like, please. Oh, it was cute. I love how they both kept their promises and then he spoke. It was cute. I wonder how he lost his voice in the first place.
The Obake told him that because she didn't like his head, his body, she took his voice because that's the only thing that wasn't tainted by the night glowstone.
Oh.